Alright, so here's the deal, guys. I put some different mufflers on the car. They are Flowtech Raptor turbos, and judging by some YouTube videos, I thought they were going to give me a sound that I wanted, but turns out they're nothing like I wanted, and it's made the exhaust quieter, but I'm not kidding you when I say the drone is just as bad as those, which are a Flowmaster type muffler. So I basically made the car quieter. I still have the same amount of drone, and it sounds not like the sound I want at all. So useless. I'm kind of upset. So instead of just buying the Thrush again, which are cheaper, I guess, I bought these from O'Reilly's. We're gonna try these. I already have the adapters, so hopefully I can just slip these in easily. These are Rumple 2-chamber performance exhaust. Judging by the Engine Masters video, they actually made more horsepower than Thrush, which, you know, doesn't mean much, but whatever. I just didn't want to stick the same exact ones back on again. Wanted to try something a little different because I'm kind of defeated on how this is going. So I'll show you how they sound. They aren't good. It's like the sound I had before with the Cherry Bomb Turbo. So if you want a quiet muffler, get like a Hush Thrush Turbo or a Cherry Bomb Turbo, because I think because of the bigger casing and the oval design of these, the sound just reverberates in there just as much as the chambered do. The chambered is just open more, but there's no packing. So that's my theory. Here you go. Yeah, there you go. There's a sound clip. I don't like them. Maybe some of you guys do, but I don't like them at all. If I'm going to deal with drone, it's either got to be completely quiet, and I should be able to hear near to nothing in the cabin, or I might as well put up with the drone and have the sound I want. Stupid people trucks driving by, so yeah. And honestly, I keep listening to videos, and there is no other sound I like other than the Welded. I keep coming back to them. I took Flowmasters off, I put the turbos on for a while. I took those off, I put the Thrush Welded on. I tried a pair of Flowmaster 40 Delta series, didn't like them. They were not like the Super 44s, not as deep, so I'm hoping I put these on. I hope they work, and if they work, I hope they're a little deeper than the Thrush. So yeah, there's my story. Someday I'll put some Super 44s back on, or the other exhaust that I really want to get is pipes. I want to put a pair of Pipes Street Pros on there. Now they're still chambered mufflers, yes, but it captures more of the signature Pontiac sound, I would say, than the chambered design. But for now, this is what's happening. I'll get you a comparison once I, in theory, hopefully get them installed. So hopefully this isn't too hard. I spent all day yesterday and a lot of crap. You can see, obviously, things didn't go so well. So I guess let's look at the chambers. So the chambers are about the same, I'd say. The Rumble is just a little bit bigger than the Thrush, dimensionally by probably few set. Yeah, you can see it right there. Yeah. All right, we'll see what happens. I'll let you know. All right, guys, we're halfway through. Here's the mufflers. I brought the box out here. Let me show you quick. I broke 2 hammers, which is pretty crazy. Sorry, it's upside down. That's what these are. Obviously, I had some trouble getting them out. You know, not any obvious trouble. They came out, but I had to cut through some adapters. So I gotta go to the parts store and get some adapters and get a clamp, because they are not good anymore. 2 of them work, 2 of them don't. But because we have to go to the parts store, I just clamped the tailpipes up, and you know what that means. Yes! This is gonna be so fucking obnoxious. Alright. I can't believe we're doing this. Alright. Woo! Woo! Alright. We're going down memory lane here. When I got the car, it was straight piped. Alright. Yeah, babe. Haha. Sounds so good. Oh yeah. It is so loud. I barely got my foot on the gas. Rumble performance. Nice. These are fucking awesome. I love these. They have a deeper sound. Oh, no, that's... Yeah. Alright. That's enough. They have a deeper sound like a Super 44, but they're quieter in the cabin. They have less drone than the Thrush did, but they are a deeper sound. Man, I made the right decision. All right, here we go.
It's solid. It's solid, man. Huh? There. Nice.
All right, I'm gonna take a video here. No drone. There's a little bit of drone. I gotta stop. These mufflers are quieter than the turbo and the Thrush Welded, but they have the deep sound like my Flowmaster Super 44s. I am in love right now. Let me get it up to 40 where they usually drone and show you. Hardly anything. Hear that? You don't, because they're quiet. All right, more video coming later.